Good
Yeah,
morning. How are you? How is your
yeah, I'm
morning?
fine. Then. I am fine. What about you?
I am pretty well. Okay. So
Yeah,
it's our first meeting, so we should start with a little bit introduction, brief
yes,
introduction.
ma'am. Let me introduce myself, ma'am. My name is Muhammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi city. It's my hometown. And if I talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer. I work in company as a graphic designer. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like to play cricket and football. So that's all about me, ma'am.
Oh, fantastic. So it's my turn. My name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am from Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher in the government school. And I usually teach English literature, 11th and 12th classes. And I am a mother also. And if I talk about my hobbies, so gardening is my all-time favorite hobby. So that's all about me, sir. So
Okay, so
have
since
you
when?
done any
Yeah.
course in the graphic design? Have you done
Yeah, I
any?
did graphic design course. I did graphic design course. It was 6 month course. So I did this course in 2016.
Okay.
Actually,
So
that time I also had completed my graduation, but I haven't, and I didn't have any job. That's why I had to take admission in multimedia course. So that time I did this course, and with the help of, you can say, graphic design course, I am earning money. Because if you have any degree course, so despite this, you must have technical skill. Then you can get job easily in any company. Without any technical job, I think so you will have to face problem to get a job in any company. Nowadays, today, it's very difficult to get a job in any company without any technical skills. So I think so. Everyone must have technical skill.
yeah, definitely. So could you tell me about the graphic design? What is exactly it is? I don't know because I haven't idea, and I also any member in my family like that
Many
profession.
people, many people, they don't know what is the graphic design. Graphic design, it means, ma'am, if you learn graphic design course, then you will be able to make all type of design related to advertisement, offline, online. Suppose if you learn graphic design course, then you are able to make all type of design like logo design, thumbnail, pamphlet, poster, flags, all type of design regarding, you can say, advertisement. Many people have like many people manufacture product like oils, shampoo, any like soap. So the company wants to hire like those people who has a knowledge about graphic design. So if you learn graphic design, then I think so it's a good scope. It's a good like field. You can get job easily in any company. It's a demandable job, ma'am. Graphic design course is demandable job. Yeah.
Have you done this course online or offline?
I did this course offline. That time, it was very expensive course. I had to pay 50,000 rupees for 6 months. It was very expensive. But today, Iraz, I think so. If you are interested, if you are willing to learn this course, you can learn from YouTube channel, because there are many video are available on YouTube channel. So you can learn from YouTube easily. You don't need to pay any amount to learn a graphic design course or anything. Today, Iraj, you can say easy to learn something. If you are willing, if you are curious, then you can learn easily from social media, from YouTube channel, because there are many video available regarding all type of like course, like computer course, English course, a graphic design course.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, it depends on the learner, what kind of the capability, what kind of the interest. It's a
yeah,
depend
yeah.
on
You are
learner.
right. You're right. So
So
since
how
when have you been teaching, ma'am? Since when have you been teaching in a government school? And when did you get this job?
So if I talk about my government job, so it's been 16 years. No, earlier I am in a social welfare department. After that, in a TGT teacher, primary teacher, as a mathematics teacher. And but I have done my master in English, so I cracked a exam that is called PGT teacher in the Rajasthan, held by the RPSC, Rajasthan Services Commission.
Okay. So you have been teaching English since 16 years.
No, no,
Since
no.
for
I
16
have
years.
been teaching English last 5 years, and earlier I am in a social welfare department as a government employee, and after that the mathematics teacher.
Okay. So you have many talents. You have a lot of talent, ma'am.
I feel blessed because I got a three government job, and some people are no finding the only one job in the government sector. Yeah, I feel blessed.
Okay. And do you teach online?
No,
Just
no,
or you teach in a school?
in school, no, I am not online teacher. Here I am learn to spoken English, and as I uploaded some video on YouTube, I have started a YouTube channel also. But yes, I am here for the practice because the bookish knowledge is the other thing and spoken English is the other thing.
Yeah. So when did you think that you should come to on social media, and why did you think like?
Last January and no, actually February. So I think I should not learn. I should learn spoken English. I should be practice as a English teacher. I should be fluent in English language.
Yeah.
In school, we are just taking English as a subject. We are now completing our syllabus. We are teaching our content, story, essay, composition, letter writing, grammatical portion also. But in the terms of speaking, we are now use our native language, Marwari and Hindi, to convey our
Okay.
message and make them understand. But as an English teacher, I should be a fluent in that particular language.
Okay.
So I recently, no, last year I got transfer in a town. So in town, I got some moderate students. They are keen learner this language. In a rural area, it is tough to connect with this language.
Yeah, you're right, ma'am.
Government schools. So I feel blessed when I got transfer a good school and it is very big school and lot of so strength in the school. So I realized February and the starting March and that time the board exam were going on and I get a free time half day. First
Yeah.
in morning session we have to duty in the board exam and after that sometimes we have to check the copies and other things and so it is manage easy for to manage at that time I have a keen interest and I start learning and uploading the video and co-learner no we make a series no in Hindi we can say karwa banta gaya so I join different groups also
Okay.
so and after that, I realized, in the terms of speaking, there is a lot of area, lot of things I have to learn. No, English is a different language, and Hindi and translation is the different things. So
Different language, that's it.
nowadays, now I try to listen more and more content and imbibe in my habit, imbibe in my speaking and try to also make learn teach them my son also some new
Okay.
words
What's
have
your mother tongue, ma'am? What's your mother tongue?
Marwari
Marwari.
Rajasthani you can say.
Okay. So when you go to school in your government school, that time you try to teach in English language or Marwari language? In which language do you teach to children?
Marwari language
Marwari language.
when I
Okay.
got when I got selected that time I now got a you can say the area which is not connected to my regional language. In a Rajasthan worldwide, a very vast state in territory wise the largest state of the India. So in
Okay.
every district we have a different regional language, regional dialect.
Okay.
So I go to the Shekhawati area and their language is not different to my district. And that time I feel very bad. How can make them understand? Sometimes the rural area people are not understand even the Hindi. And if I talk about the tribals area, no, in the tribal they have their own regional language. They can't understand the my district language, and also they are can't understand Hindi language also. So there is a no possibility to make them understand in English and to learn English. In the starting phase of our job, we have a zeal and enthusiasm, but that time I got a job and that time I posted in a rural area. So it is
Okay.
not possible for me. But after last year, I got transfer in a town. So in town, the student are very keen learner. They are interested and they know. we should learn English, and they know the importance of this language.
Suppose in future if you are transferred in like where like people speak in Hindi language, so can you understand Hindi?
Yeah,
And
yeah. I can understand Hindi, and nowadays after the COVID, I realized that social media and internet are rapidly spread. We connect through the
yeah,
social. Before COVID, phase is a different kind of phase in India, and after COVID, a different kind of the phase. And before COVID, there are not much more learner on YouTube. There are not much more teachers also. Nowadays everything is available. After COVID, I realized that, and I all no I also not habitual before COVID the using the mobile and social media, but during the COVID, mobile is compulsory because we have to send homework, and every student got the mobile also.
after COVID-19, everyone came to know about social media, that it's important to our life,
It's a strength. No, how can we learn? How can we teach through the social media? It's a work like either a tremendous teacher. We can say
Yeah.
Google. So, yeah. So after COVID, the situation totally changed him, and especially in India, we got a disaster change.
So do you
In
think, ma'am, like offline class, online class is better compared to offline class? Online class is better compared to offline?
COVID, we took a lot of classes online, but I don't know how can we record because I am not much more habitual to using the social media. That time I have a no, I had lot of video also. I am giving the classes on Zoom meeting and Wise application. There is a application named the Wise.
Okay.
So it is easy. I easily show them the pictures. I easily show them any writer, and no, I just prepare lesson before giving the lecture. And in offline, it is not possible. And after now, sometime government issue a order, we should not use mobile at school. So that time we also disconnected from the mobile and social media. So online, I think we can show lot of things. We can search a lot of things online. We can provide the photo. Just like giving example, I am teaching a poem. Take example. There is a chapter otter. So otter, the student are don't know what is the otter. You know, and I try to make them understand. So otter is just like a mouse kind of the animal, but it is not exactly the mouse. And when I gave them the lecture about the otter online, that time I remember I click a photo and show them. They can easily watch their screen. Oh, it is exactly the otter. And when we have a visible object, that time we can easily relate. No,
Okay.
so it is, and sometimes just I am giving the lecture on the Shakespeare, so I usually show them the pictures and their beloved and their family and friends also. So when we have a visible object, though we can easily understand.
Yeah,
And
you are right.
through text, it is hard to make them understand.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I have one question that when you got like a government job 5 years ago, that time you were fluent in English language, or while practicing, while making video, you get like fluency in English language.
I
Before you had
am a fluent speaker. I am just making lot of mistake nowadays also. Yeah, but I
so
am earlier.
everyone make mistake while speaking. It happens, but I can see that you are speaking confidently. You are speaking fluently. So when you got like a government job 5 years ago, that time you were fluent in English language, or just while practicing you get fluency. You got fluency.
Yeah, now I am all practicing last 5 months only. Earlier, I am a
Not five.
mathematics teacher, so I am not keen interested to learn this language. In the subconscious mind, I have a interest. I should be learn this language. It is a worldwide language and a global language. It is only the subconscious mind because I am a mathematics teacher, so there is a no requirement.
Okay, so before like, did you have proper knowledge about grammar, about spoken, how to speak English language, or just before 5 months you have been practicing for 5 months? So just while practicing, you have got knowledge.
No, I have the enough knowledge of the grammar and every, you can say the every part of speech, time and tense, determiners, modals, verbs, adjective, adverbs. So I have enough knowledge, but I never applied on my speaking.
Okay. It means just you have been practicing English for 5 months. You
Yeah,
have completed 5 months.
yeah, for 5 months, 6 months, you can say.
So
If
now
we
you are speaking good. Now you are speaking good. So how do you feel to speak English language fluently?
Sir, in one-to-one conversation, I have great confidence. But
Okay.
in the terms of the social gathering and public speaking, and especially in the English language, that time I start fumble. So I have to become a fluent in front of the gathering, in the social gathering. Just
Means
like
right now you are not able. You are not able to deliver speech in front of many people, in front of crowd. Don't have confidence to deliver speech in front of crowd.
yeah, that time my making mistake frequency is the increasing rapidly. So I have to remove my hesitation and my fear. And when we just sitting in a group and in any tea and any party, that time I haven't any confidence. So
Yeah,
I
I
try to
also.
put in some GD and to remove my hesitation and in front of the 4, 5, 6 people in a group. Little bit, maybe in future I will be able
I
to
never
speak.
tried, I never tried to deliver a speech in front of many people, in front of crowd. But in future, I will try to deliver a speech in front of crowd. That's why, I have decided that I will take admission offline class, because if I go to offline class, then I will get a chance to deliver a speech in front of many students. That's why I
Yeah,
have decided I will take class only 2 or 3 months, for 2 and 3 months. So I
yeah,
will
it's
get a chance to deliver a speech. Yeah.
class almost 15 and 10 students, sometimes more than and 20 and 40, sometimes 100 students may be there. So yeah, it's a good thing if we are physically appear in a surrounding and that time we express our point of view. Yeah, it's I think the better idea. If we are just like I am now a working woman and I also have to take care of and manage my home also, so it's not possible for me to taking the physical classes. So I try to take online classes now after 7, after 8, and especially the group.
Because ma'am, right now I'm able to speak. Now I'm able to like communicate front of one people. But when I go to like any stage and I want to deliver speech front of people, that time I get fumble, I get stuck. So I want to remove my hesitation also. That's why I want to join like offline class for 1 month or 2 months, so that I can remove my hesitation. Yeah.
Yes, same with me now. In my subconscious mind, I just watched a crowd and a social gathering. That time, a fear surrounding us and no stuck with me. Oh, people are saying if I made mistake, what people say if I made mistake. So these kind of things going on the background, and we start making mistake the frequently.